Question 32 says if a graph is shifted 2 units up, then reflected along the y-axis and inversed, and the resulting graph is y is equals to log 4x, find the original function. So here we need to follow the steps. It was shifted 2 units up, that's step number 1, then reflected along the y-axis, step number 2, and then inversed, that's step number 3. If we want to get the original function, we have to do these steps in reverse again, making sure to undo whatever was done to that function. So starting off, the graph for lastly was inversed. So to begin, we're gonna inverse it again. So if we do that, we're gonna have x to the power 4 is equals to y, or rather you can write it as y is equals to x to the power 4. Then we reflect it along the y-axis. If we reflect along the y-axis, actually the base is 4 to the power of x, then if we reflect it along the y-axis, we make x negative. Therefore we're going to have 4 to the power of negative x, which can be written as 1 over 4 to the power of x. Lastly, the graph was shifted up by 2 units, or initially, but now we're going to shift it back down by 2 units. So now if we follow these steps again, we shift it up by 2, reflect it along the y, and inverse it, we're going to get the y is equals to log 4x. Therefore here our answer would correspond to B.